Mudskipper is a fish in the goby family. Mudskippers are found in 34 different species along the Pacific and Indian Ocean coasts. Mudskipper thrives in salinity-varying tropical and subtropical seas. It can be found in tidal mudflats, estuaries, and mangrove swamps. Even though habitat destruction affects mudskipper survival in the wild, their population is vast and steady. Mudskippers are not on the endangered species list. Mudskipper can grow to be 2.75 to 9.75 inches long. Mudskippers are often olive brown in appearance. Some species have blue patterns on their bodies. Mudskipper possesses frog-like eyes that protrude from its body, a torpedo-shaped body, powerful pectoral fins, and 2 dorsal fins. Mudskippers' eyes move independently of one another. They can see objects above and below the water's surface at the same time. Mudskipper eats meat. It feeds on insects, crustaceans, tiny fish, and worms. Mudskipper, unlike other fish, can survive on solid ground during low tide. It breathes through the gills, throat and mouth mucous membranes, and a thick capillary network in the skin. Mudskipper prefers to rest on the roots, rocks, and other items above the water's surface. Mudskipper can die if they spend too much time underwater. Mudskipper uses modified pectoral fins to move through the muddy surface. Pectoral fins, unlike legs, move at the same moment and pull the body forward. Because pectoral fins resemble a pair of crutches, this movement is also known as crutching. Mudskippers' sucker-like pelvic fins allow them to jump 2 feet in the air and climb on diverse surfaces. To avoid dehydration during low tide, Mudskipper must roll its eyeballs into water-filled sockets and refresh its face and gills with water. Some Mudskipper species dig burrows in the mud. Burrows are often J, U, or V-shaped, with entrances beneath the water's surface. Mudskipper occasionally releases air bubbles into the burrow to enhance the level of oxygen because burrows are poorly ventilated. Mudskippers are a territorial species. To defend its territory, it constructs low, wall-like ridges. During the breeding season, male mudskippers' throats and chins turn golden. To impress females, males execute push-ups, jump high in the air, and expose their dorsal fins before returning to the water. The female lays her eggs within the burrow's specially built chamber. The male protects the eggs until they hatch. Some mudskippers lay their eggs in the water. Mudskippers can be kept as pets and can even be taught to eat food from their keeper's hands. Mudskippers can live in the wild for more than 5 years.